Alright viewers, so today we are replacing this Insinkerator. For some reason it looks like it's been like 9 years, 10 years old, and they do have a life like 3 to 5 years, it depends what you got. But this completely failed, so let's go ahead and get it replaced. First, take out this hose off. This is actually going into your dishwasher. Unscrew this. This is the main drain line. Screw that. Put this on the side. Unscrew this. Make sure you have some kind of container bucket underneath, because this U-bend, am I gonna have some water in there? Residual. Drain this out. So just a quick recap. Remove this hose, unplug this drain, the U-bend, and the next step we're gonna do, this flange, we're gonna have to remove it, unscrew it anti-clockwise. Just the one spin. Place your hand, don't let it fall. And there you go. Next, we're gonna unhook the wiring. Make sure you have outlet or break it off for the safety hazard. Take this off. But this is a reset switch, in case if you guys don't know. Here's both hot wires and the neutral. Pull them out, and the green is the ground. It's pretty simple. White goes with the white, black goes with the black, and ground definitely you can attach with the body. Remove the flange. This ring, this lock is actually goes, if you push this up a little bit, you see this edge right here, the collar, it goes sat here. Take the ring off, pull this part out, pull this washer out, and there you go. That's how you remove the old. Before you place everything, just make sure scrape the old lumber putty. Just make sure you clean it. Clean the edge thoroughly. I'm just dropping down. From the bottom of the sinks as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and place the flange in place. Lumber putty. Make a just enough thread to fill everything. Something like that. Place the flange top. There you go. Push it down. Make sure it seals everywhere. Right. This plate go face up like that. Hold it with the hand, and it's the screw part. The screws down. Next thing, and in the last, this lock ring. So lock ring in the place, you see, it's kept it from falling. And just go ahead and start tightening up the screws. Everything tight and looks like it's in place. This is also a good sign that the extra putty was just popping out, so it means it's sealed in place. Just go ahead, just nicely, gently dig it out. The excess one, here we go. So now we're gonna go ahead and attach the drain connections. Mine is upside down, so I'm gonna place this rubber washer, take it through. These two screws in. It could be on the sideways, but like I said, in my case, it's just going to the bottom. So I'm just gonna keep it that way. All right, guys, if you have a dishwasher, then go ahead, take this cap off. If you don't, leave it on. So I do have a dishwasher, then I'm gonna go ahead and take the cap off. Crush inside the try to get it. There you go. Now go ahead and make your connection. Remove this plate. White with the white, black with the black. Fish through the wire. I have disconnected the electricity from the fuse box. Fish through the wire. All right, let's go ahead and mount this up. Hold this from the bottom and through this. To start up, use this key. It comes with this radar, and just gotta tighten it up. So we just tied this up. You see, connect all the pipes, connect this. And the last thing, you need to connect the dishwasher drain. Tie this up, and that's much about it. Moment of truth. Let's see how it goes. Look underneath just to make sure your water leakage. Don't see any sign of leak so far. Yep, very good. Let's check the aerator. Let's fire up. Bingo. Bingo. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe my channel. You will find a lot more DIY projects as we go. All right, thank you, and have a good night.